Here, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VRNG. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Did this one a few days ago. Can't remember the exact date. I think it was actually after this candle right here, or maybe after. No, I take that back. It was after this candle now. And if you want to go back through the video archives and look, you can see the video I did. So you can see since that day, it bottomed out nicely and then has since been putting in higher high after higher high. Today was the highest it's been in a while. Did gap and then get knocked back down, but nonetheless the chart still does need updated, so I want to quickly update things, and that way everybody can continue to keep track of what's going on from the technical perspective. So the first update that I want to make is this line down here. I'm going to make extra thick now because this becomes now a very important level of support. Before that it wasn't, a huge deal. Well, I take that. Last time it was a key level of resistance, but now that it's been broken, it's become a very important level of support. So this line needs to be changed to support. So I'll change that to green. So again, made this line green because it is now a level of support, and I made it thick because it becomes a very important level of support now that the price, is way up here. The next update is this previous level of resistance also needs to be changed into a support since the price is now above it. I'm going to leave this line the same width because this is more of what I'd call an ideal level, meaning ideally you'd like to see it hold, but if the price doesn't and drops back below there, by no means is it the end of the world. And then I do want to add in just one more area of support, and I'm going to leave this line just a very skinny green line because this is kind of the ultra ideal support level, meaning, if you were to ask me what would make the chart look the absolute strongest and the absolute most bullish, I would tell you if this level right here at 354, 355 could hold. By no means is that required in order for the chart to be bullish, but like I said, if you were to ask me what would make the chart look the best, if the price can just continue to hold above here, that would be great. So you can see it pulled back here and did find support, and if that would continue to be the case, that'd make the chart just look that much more appealing. In terms of resistance levels, two I want to point out. The first one, price actually gapped above it today, but couldn't close above it, so it's still a level of resistance, and that's right here at 370. I'm going to leave that line skinny red because with another push upwards, I'm sure that one won't put up much of a fight. And then after that, just simply the high of today where the profit taker stepped in, and that was at 390. So 370 and 390 will be the two current key levels of resistance. So all in all, that is the chart updated. Nice to see all these green lines on it now as opposed to red like I did it last time. And as long as these keep holding, hopefully the price will just keep chugging on upward. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our free newsletter up there. When you do that, you'll receive a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click below and look at our educational course. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. It's been getting great third-party reviews and testimonials. So I'd encourage you to make an investment into your education as a trader and check it out. One more time, this was VRNG. Thanks for listening.